Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close options on Etrade. First, log into your Etrade account and head over to the Accounts tab. From there, you'll want to find the specific options contract you're looking to close within your portfolio. It's crucial to know whether you're placing a buy to close or sell to close order, depending on your initial position. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth transaction. Once you've identified the option, select it and look for the Trade or Close button. This will take you to the order entry screen. Here, you'll need to decide on your order type. A limit order gives you price control, while a market order executes immediately at the best available price. Don't forget to input the exact number of contracts you wish to close before proceeding. Before hitting that final button, take a moment to thoroughly review all the details of your order. Double-check the contract, the price, the quantity, and the order type. You'll also see an estimated commission and the total cost of the transaction. Once you're confident everything is correct, confirm the order to send it to the market for execution. This ensures accuracy and avoids potential errors. After submitting, keep an eye on your order status in the Order History section to ensure it executes as planned. Once confirmed, you'll see your account balance updated to reflect the closed position. Remember, understanding your trades is key to successful investing. For more insights on managing your finances and building wealth, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. It's a great resource for anyone looking to improve their financial journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.